Samsung is actually killing it. No, I'm not joking. They are about to do something big with the S24 Ultra that will change everything. Ever since the Galaxy S20 Ultra's launch, Samsung has been shipping their flagship phones with a 10x periscope zoom. It has been the headline feature in Samsung flagships, but now Samsung is actually removing this from the S24 Ultra, and you might be scratching your head thinking, why? According to Samsung's most reliable leakster iCineverse, they're replacing the 10 megapixel 10x zoom with a 50 megapixel 5x zoom, which gives the S24 Ultra the same amount of long-range magnification as the newest iPhone 15 Pro Max. Why in the world would Samsung do this, and is this a downgrade? Well, let's discuss. So first up, the sensor size is a lot bigger than the sensor we had inside the S23 Ultra, and it comes with a 50 megapixel resolution instead of 10 megapixels. So from 5x to 10x, it is expected that the quality will be similar to how it is on the S23 Ultra, but beyond that level, when we talk about 20x or 30x or 40x, that's where the quality difference may not be as good as the S23 Ultra. Again, it all depends on Samsung's algorithm, but realistically, if you think about it, a 5x periscope zoom digitally cropping to 20x or 30x, it's not gonna have the same quality as a 10x optical zoom that goes to 20 or 30x levels, as we have seen with the current examples with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra that has the similar setup. So maybe from 5 to 10x, we may see better image quality or same as S23 Ultra, but anything beyond that raises a big question. Now, the second reason why Samsung might be doing this could actually make you happy. We'll talk about that right after this. The number one question I get asked all the time is what fast charger I use to charge all my devices, and well, I've been using fast chargers from Baseus for quite some time. Baseus has mastered the art of chargers at this point, offering loads of amazing products to choose from. One of them is the new Baseus Gen 5 Pro flat USB-C wall charger with 65 watt power delivery. It is extremely slim, lightweight with foldable plug, and super compact for traveling. 30 minutes of fast charge takes my iPhone to 50%, 72% on my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and 40% on my MacBook Pro. The other favorite is the Baseus 6-in-1 power strip that can power 6 devices simultaneously. It helps clear up the clutter because of its unique design. Plus, that retractable USB-C cable with 65 watt power delivery is extremely convenient. The best thing about Baseus products compared to other brands is short-circuiting prevention. This ensures utmost safety, and additionally, they also offer an app control where you can monitor current and truly achieve smart charging. Now, just for you guys, Baseus is offering an exclusive 20 to 30% discount, which is a limited time. Please be sure to click the special links in the description for this incredible offer. It's a limited time offer, so definitely check it out. Alrighty, the second reason why Samsung is actually changing the 10x zoom with a 50 megapixel 5x zoom is because of cost cutting. It's rumored that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusive in all markets. This was once again mentioned in the recent leaks. Again, we have yet to see this double checked by other credible sources. This very source also says that along with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung may be upping the RAM on the S24 Ultra to a whopping 16 GB RAM. As Qualcomm is raising prices for their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chips, Samsung might have to look for some cost cutting benefits, which is why they might be bringing this 50 megapixel 5x zoom instead of the usual 10x zoom. Again, we don't know how this new sensor is going to perform. It might actually be even better than what we had before. Again, Samsung has to have a pretty good reason to do this, otherwise they definitely won't be downgrading from the previous model. So yeah, with the S24 Ultra, we say goodbye to another legendary feature, the 10x zoom and the curved display. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.